everybody. I hope you guys are doing good and very safe during this pandemic. If you look at the topic today, you guys already know I will be teaching you guys how to make a healthier version of masala chai. If you are someone who planning to diet but love masala chai, because there's a lot of people can't start their day with a coffee and of course masala chai as well, or any other chai. You can obviously use this method for a normal chai too, or you are planning to move into a healthy diet but love masala chai. I will be teaching you the way to consume masala chai even by eating healthy, but obviously not too often. And yes, I will be making 2 changes in this masala chai. Let's go and see how do I make that healthier version of masala chai. So first you got to add 1 cup of water. Let the water to come to a boil. If you will be using the masala chai powder, you just can add it now. If you are someone like me who like adding fresh ginger and powder, make sure to add your ginger first. Now add half spoon of your chai powder, give it a stir, and then add your tea. It's almost done, guys. Just have to add the sugar and the milk. At this point, you can just smell the aroma. Now I'm gonna add the milk. Look guys, you're getting the color now. 2 tablespoons of milk. If you notice, the milk powder is very fine compared to the normal milk powder. Then add the hot water. Your skim milk is ready. It's coming to a boil. It's time to add sugar. You can just add up to 2 tablespoons. Just see how much sugar do you need. At this point, you can smell the aroma of this masala chai. And let it boil once more. And our masala chai is almost ready. It's time to filter. Ta-da! Our delicious, healthier version masala chai is ready. It's still hot. Okay guys, the taste is there. I told you right. The aroma. Like I didn't feel like I mixed skim milk in it, I just feel like I just made it with the normal milk. Seriously guys, it's just so delicious. Okay, now we got to look at the changes that we have made. Yet it tastes so delicious. As I told you guys, I'll be making 2 changes in this healthier version masala chai than the normal masala chai. Do you guys remember what are the changes? Remember? Yes, the first one is the sweetener. I have substituted white sugar into the honeycomb sugar. Next, I added skim milk. What is skim milk? Just before we start using it. Skim milk is a normal milk that has been gone through a process. Yes, what process is that? Fat removal process. That's all. When we already know the milk has been gone through a fat removal process, then what else? Skim milk contain only half of the nutrients than the actual milk contain. It's less fat, lower in cholesterol, lower calorie content, and of course a very good substitute for those who planning to lose weight. And the skim milk that I added was from the milk powder version. I added some water, I made it into milk. You guys can look for it in your nearby grocery shops or even through online shopping. To be very honest, if you guys compare the price of the skim milk powder and the normal milk powder, it's a little bit higher. But remember guys, when you want to live healthier life, we still have to spend a little so that we don't spend so much on our health, right? It's just okay now. And for the sugar, I just feel the price the same, but then the quantity is a bit lesser, but that's okay because we are reducing sugar, right? And One more thing that I must tell you guys, like whenever I was thinking about losing weight and then looking for all the options, talking to a lot of people, I just find that healthier food is a lot more expensive than the normal, less healthier food, right? And you guys will be like, Lanky, I'm a student, but I still want to lose weight, stay fit. Like, please tell me something cheaper. Okay, guys, you see, all the other ingredients are the same, you know. Just you got to switch your white sugar to the honeycomb sweetener, which I just feel like the price is very reasonable. To be very honest, yes, the skim milk a little pricey, but it's worth buying. You guys can always try to substitute this with your coffee and everything. So far, I've never tried that with coffee. Like once I tried and I just feel it tastes delicious, I will definitely share that with you guys. I'll be sharing more daily food that can be cooked in a better, healthier version so that we don't have to spend much money on that. And I'll try to look for something which is student friendly as well. Okay, guys, if you find this video very useful, don't forget to like this video and do tell me your experience trying this skim milk in the comment box below. And yes, guys, don't forget to subscribe so every time I upload a healthier version cooking recipe, you guys can actually get it the next moment. See you soon, guys.